Alright mga besh, mga bay, so for today's video, outfit check, show art, Madayaw Style & Co. by Josh Shabudan, mga besh, mga bay. Thanks for the merch, bro. So for this morning, we're getting ready na, tapos na mag-energy drink, and we're packing our stuff. And I repeat packing, hindi yung iba, F yun, ito packing. So mga besh, mga bay, yan with kababayan, boardmate from Cebu, show art boss Wendell.
That's the price.
Yes, and si Sir Michael. Show art sa mga taga
Cebu.
Cebu. Asa to niyo, bro?
Asturias.
Asturias, Cebu.
Yeah, Cordoba.
Ayun, si Sir Wendell, shout out sa mga taga Cordoba sa Mactan. Mga besh, mga bay, dito sa aming room palaging may full moon. Tsadaan. Yeah.
Umilaw ba yan?
Palawan natin sa may nasa wall. Ilaw check. Tada. Yun. Oh, yun. Yan, full moon na yan. Oh, all the way. So, check out na kami. And basic guidelines sa Thailand, pag gantong hostel, yung bath towel, dadalhin sa baba, iso-surrender para makuha yung 100 baht na deposit. Right? Check out muna kami. Takits. Alright mga besh, mga bay, so nag-drop by muna sa 7-Eleven dyan and bought for me a face mask. Ayan po kasi we are advised to use face mask going to Nepal later this noon. So yun muna, better safe than sorry. So we need to listen for the advice. Balik muna ako sa hostel. By the way, ito yung view dyan sa arcade complex. Dyan sa likod natin, Skybridge, yan. Diyan kami dadaan mamaya akyat, tapos patawid dun sa kabilang side sa airport. Welcome to Thailand! Yo, see ya! Alright mga besh, mga boys, some of the boys ng Team Philippines, let's go! Heading to Don Mueang International Airport, going to Kathmandu, Nepal. Right, let's go! Tawid pa kami. Nasa train station, tatawid lang papuntang airport.
Ano ba ba yan? Simpira ba? Tapos lapis.
Guys, sobrang ganda dito, masyado siyang kumbaga pro pedestrian siya kasi nga yung mga tao from the airport or papuntang airport may mas madali na lang pumunta kasi may tawiran, ika nga may sky bridge kasi aircon pa. Ito diba, madali na lang. So it's good to see na and to experience yung mga taga dito sa Thailand, yung kanilang government is sila, anti-hassle. Kumbaga ayaw nila yung mga tao ma-hassle, na dapat as much as possible yung mode of public transport and access hassle free, convenient kumbaga ba, para syempre mas mapadali yung galawan ng mga tao. Ayan check nyo, nasa airport na kami. Sana ganito din yung Pinas, yung para sa ikaunad, ikabubuti ng mga countrymen, ika nga. Scan muna ako ng bagaya. Bye bye. Alright mga besh, mga bay, doing my bag drop.
Headlamp niya sa bag niya, tapos parang time to flight. Pinatawag na. The owner
steam
in the
chicken.
departure hall on the third floor at Terminal 1. Thank you.
Alright, brunch time here in Don Mueang International Airport if we're heading to Nepal.
มี
Ciao!
ผู้พกกระเป๋าเดินทาง มีผู้พกกระเป๋าเดินทาง
Alright mga besh, mga bye! So we are about to depart na from Don Mueang here in Thailand via AirAsia going to Kathmandu, Nepal. Tadan! So a few minutes from now magbo-boarding na. Alright, the kids! Yeah, sasakay na kami ng shuttle bus papunta sa aeroplano. Alright. Dito na ako sa gilid. Alright mga besh, mga bye, safely arrived here in Kathmandu, Nepal. Time check, it's 10 minutes past the hour, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's like past 10 o'clock, 4 o'clock, past 10, 4 p.m. in Philippine time. And mga besh, mga bye, it's all good, and this is it. Check this out. Transfer muna kami ng carousel. Yun mga beshi. Awesome.
Yun na, summit na agad.
Alright mga besh, mga bye, safely arrived here in Kathmandu, Nepal. Nasa airport na kami and we have to process pa for our visa upon arrival. And then outside, nagantay na yung pipick up sa amin. Process muna ng visa. Alright mga besh, mga bye, I just finished processing my visa and immigration clearance. At this point, I'll be going to the customs declaration and have to get my check-in luggage. Kita-kits afterwards. Alright mga besh, mga bye, done with our customs clearance. So as of the moment, we are working our way to buy for a Nepal SIM. So, flip cam. So we are to buy for the 14-day package yung aming internet SIM. That's around 995 rupee, or in dollars that would be 7.2 US dollars. So kita-kits later. Mga besh, mga bye, successfully purchase Nepali SIM, na-installed na. Tapos lalabas na talaga kami. This is it na. Magpapasundo na kami. Oh, alright, kita-kits, Team Philippines 2025 on the road to Nepal. Alright mga besh, mga bye, Team Philippines has just been picked up by our guide. And we're heading now to the parking lot. Check this out. Alright mga besh, mga bye, at the parking bay, and yan yung mga staff or crew na nagkakarga ng mga gamit namin. Top load lang, parang sa Pinas. Awesome! By the way, the black guy, yan, si Archit, yun yung aming local contact dito. So, he's doing the thing, man. Kita-kits mamaya. Sasaba ng as. From here, it will be around 25 to 30 minutes ride going to the hotel. Kita kits, man. Alright, mga besh, mga bay, we're here. Yeah, we're here now in the hotel in Kathmandu. Kathmandu Eco Hostel. Alright. Within Philippines. In Arjit. Yeah.
Can I have two passport?
Yes.
Only 2 person, okay, no problem.
Okay.
For the registration, yeah.
Alright, mga besh, mga bay, room check. This is my room here in Kathmandu, Nepal. Check this out. Okay. So the room is good for 2. It has 2 single beds. And my TV, my aircon, my closet, tadan, and here's the toilet and bath. Oh, not bad. Yan. So that's it, mga besh, mga bay. I have to get fixed, freshen up lang, and then punta kami doon sa store ni Nams Day. Right, let's go. Alright, mga besh, mga bay, trying some local foods. We have here some. Check this one. This is chicken kebab, pork kebab, and beef kebab, and it's grilling. Alright. And we have some snacks in here. Thank you.
Ano naman ito?
Potato. Mashed potato na may spices. At mga best, mga bay, panapuri. Only here in Kathmandu. Yun, panapuri. Yan siya. Crunchy ito kasi deep fried. Tapos may siya yung mashed potato na may mga herbs and spice. Pero mild yung lasa. Tapos lalagyan ng sinamak na suka. Yum yum.